As North Texas has confirmed its first case of monkeypox right here in Dallas County. It is important to stress this is a rare virus.
And this really brings the number of cases in the U.S. to 34. According to the CDC, our Ariel Placencia is following this story this morning. She's live in Dallas. And Ariel, this is not something that we should panic about. That's the message this morning.
You're exactly right. That is the message. Health officials say that at this time, this patient does not pose any risk to others at this time. But of course, they are having conversations with doctors and healthcare providers in our area just so that everybody's on the same page and, of course, looking out for any more potential cases. Now, here's what we know so far about this first case in Dallas County. The patient is a man who tested positive on Monday. He recently traveled from Mexico to Dallas, so health officials are now working to notify passengers on that man's flight and anyone else who had close contact so any symptoms can be monitored. Now, monkeypox is a virus that can spread from animals to humans. Infected people can pass it to others through skin-to-skin contact or prolonged face-to-face contact. If you remember, Dallas County actually had a case of monkeypox last year after a man traveled from Africa, but health officials were on top of it, and they said nobody else developed symptoms afterwards. Texas State virologist Rodney Rhodes says monkeypox doesn't spread as quickly as COVID-19, and the fatality rate is low.
You really have to have exposure close, and it has to be for usually 3 or more hours. This particular strain that's in the US is about 1% or less. And as you may know, no fatalities have occurred to date.
Now, in response to all the cases of monkeypox that we've been seeing around the world, the CDC updated its travel guidance to level 2. That's one level below the highest level. And now they're encouraging passengers to practice enhanced precautions. Now, if you're curious about any symptoms, we've got more information over on our website, WFA.com. Mark and Cleo.
Okay, thank you for that update this morning.